Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavours. Today we are going to prepare Daal Baati. So let's get started. So we'll start by preparing dal. For that I have a pan here on medium heat. To the pan I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Instead of ghee you can even use oil. And we'll let the oil or ghee heat up. Oil is hot now. I'm going to add around half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira. And we'll let it change color. The cumin seeds have changed the color. Now I'm going to add 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing. Now I have 2 cloves of garlic which are finely chopped. We are going to add it. Next goes in some finely chopped ginger. This is around ½ inch of ginger which is finely chopped. We'll mix it and cook until the garlic are slightly cooked. Now to this I'm going to add 1 onion which is finely chopped. Mix. We'll cook the onions until they are soft. Onions are cooked now. I'm going to add spices. So I have 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix them. Now to this I'm going to add 1 large size tomato which is finely chopped. Along with this I'm going to add 3 green chilies which are finely chopped. If you don't want the dal to be too spicy, you can skip adding the green chilies. Now I will add in some salt. Mix. Now I will cover the pan and cook the tomatoes until they are mushy and soft. We'll open the lid and see if the tomatoes are done. Yeah, so tomatoes are soft now. Now here I have some tur dal which is already pressure cooked. I have pressure cooked the tur dal with some turmeric and salt for 2 to 3 whistles. I'm going to add the dal in it. We will now cook the dal until it starts to come to a boil. At this stage we are going to check for the seasoning, and if it requires to add more salt we can do so now. You can even add some lemon juice to make it little tangy. So the dal is done now. I'm going to finish it off with fresh coriander leaves and we'll switch off the flame. So the dal is ready. Now let's start preparing the bati. We will start by preparing the dough for bati. So for that here I have a mixing bowl. To the mixing bowl I'm going to add around 3 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of fine semolina or suji, and ½ a cup of besan or gram flour. To this I am going to add salt according to taste. Next I will add ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Please note this is baking powder, not baking soda. I'll mix all the dry ingredients first. I have around 3 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. We are going to add this. We add and mix all the ingredients together. So the ghee is combined very well with all other ingredients. We'll take little dough and press it in between your palm, and if it holds the shape, that means our mohan is perfect. If it breaks easily, doesn't hold shape, then you need to add more ghee or clarified butter. Now we are going to add water gradually into it and prepare a dough. Make sure the dough is not too soft nor too hard. So now you can see the dough has come together nicely, and as you can see, the dough is not too soft nor too hard. So the dough is ready to prepare bati. We'll keep it aside for 5 minutes so that the dough can rest properly. Dough has been resting for 5 minutes. It's nice and ready to use. We'll start preparing the balls for bati. For that, here I have some melted butter or ghee to grease our palms. So let's start. I'll take a small portion and we'll make round balls. We'll just flatten it from the top. So our bati is ready now. And similar way, we are going to prepare balls with the rest of the dough. So I have finished preparing all the batis out of the dough that we had. I have preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So here I have a baking tray. We are going to grease the tray with little bit of oil or ghee. Now I will place the batis in the tray. Next I will brush the top of the batis with some ghee or clarified butter. Now I will place the tray into the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and we'll cook them for half an hour. In between we will flip the batis to the other side as well. So after half an hour I checked the bati and it's all ready to use. It has been cooked very well.
Dal Baati is ready to serve now. Do give it a try and share feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.